Today I'm going out to Guildford Sushi House in Guildford, obviously, with the family. It's a good bang for your buck place. We're just heading on the highway. If you're heading west, take the HOV exit. Food's arrived. Let's check it out. So the nigiri is huge, hand for scale, big juicy pieces of salmon. Let's dig in. Let's start off with some salmon. Let's check it out. Give it a little dip. Super fresh, super fatty, best deal in town. So worth it. Got a salmon roll here. There's ginger wasabi on the side, and this is the crazy roll. It usually comes dry, so if you ask them to put some unagi sauce and some Kewpie mayo, I'll have it for you. Let's do the crazy roll next here.
You love peas.
Nice and creamy with the mayo. The kids are wild. Nice and crunchy, fried, delicious. And then you have a Dynamite Roll. This has prawn tempura inside, cucumbers, avocado, a little bit of lettuce. Let's eat. Nice and crunchy and fresh. Next up is Toro Nigiri. So this is the fatty tuna belly. Oh, she's falling apart. So buttery, really fatty, so good. Toro costs a little more than regular tuna, but it's worth it. And then we have a yam tempura roll, nice little sauce, little fish eggs on top. The salmon tempura roll is like an upgraded BC roll, so a lot more actual meat rather than just skin. But this is much better than their BC roll. Their BC roll has not enough stuff in it, it's mostly rice. But this is exceptional. So as rolls get bigger and fancier, they tend to kind of fall apart. So I might lose half of this one. The salmon tempura roll is one of my favorites. It has a nice little crunch with that tempura in there. Salmon's nice and meaty and fresh, and the unagi sauce just like makes it extra good. So that's Guildford Sushi. It's great. Neighborhood's a bit sketchy. There's usually like a bunch of dudes like sitting smoking out here in the parking lot across from Tim Hortons. So I turn around here, you got Tim Hortons in the back. Guildford Mall's right across the street. Try it out. Not a great date place though. It's a little bit basic. See you next time. YouTube thinks you'll like this video over here next.